All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and wrap up the show today. Interesting show. Market popped up a little bit. We failed to go lower, so now it looks like we're going to attempt to go higher. I had a couple of trend lines that got moved a little bit. This one got broken to the downside, and I'm on a 4-hour time frame here. Let's go back to the 2-hour. 4-hour is interesting though. We did just print a doji on the 4-hour time frame right there. So Mike and Monkeytron, both of them kind of pointed that out. But that is a firm doji. Typically, dojis are meant as stalling candles in whatever direction you're going. So if it comes on the downside, you're stalling to the downside. If it comes at the top, you're stalling up here. And on the 4-hour time frame, and we usually look at the 2-hour, but on the 4-hour, clear stalling candle here. Very clear doji here, both on elevated volume. And so in theory, this could be our most recent top for today. We shall see. Our follow-through day system is on the verge of printing a follow-through day, though. If we get a 5% day today with volume already elevated over yesterday, it's clearly going to be a follow-through day if we get past 5% today. And so vis-a-vis our follow-through day system, that would mean the market is in an uptrend technically, although I'm still not super convinced about major rallies in this environment. But we'll see. We did adjust some alert levels today. Bitcoin, as you can see, has the 21013. We also have alerts down at the lows. Adjusted a couple other ones too, but most everything is just kind of hanging out. Cardano's hanging out. Most things just seem like they're hanging out, and that could be good. So we did have the attempt to have a dramatic drop back here in about 2 or 3 weeks ago. The market stopped that drop dead in its tracks and reversed up, and we've been able to hold higher. So you have to respect that action, and think of the possibility for maybe some kind of a reversal. Even if we get a reversal, there's other lines holding us down. You've got clear breakdowns here at 28,000, where we had this substantial drop here. So that can all come into play even if we rally up, and that's going to be the difficult thing to manage if we do have a rally here. Is it a long-term bottom, or are we just going to come up and stall in some other area and then roll back over again? But for now, we're still under 20,000. And volume not really knocking your socks off here, even if we do get a follow-through day. Our last follow-through day did nothing for us, and we weren't bullish during that time anyways. Pretty good show today, pretty good talks. We talked about base-on-base patterns, talked about entering difficult trades, and should you trust a follow-through day? We talked about all those things today, so those were good topics. And I think that's about it. So play with alerts. If you guys have some coins that you like, look for an alert level on those and a good horizontal. Make sure you have a really good stop loss. Take a look at the entering difficult trades to try to find a good way into a difficult trade. That can give you a good stop loss. That timestamp right there. So, all right, everybody. What are you talking about, Monkeytron? 2277. Oh, is that for the 5%? Yeah, that could be for the 5%. Yep. 20,277. Interesting to blow apart this 4-hour doji though. That would be of interest. Yeah, my 2-hour chart doesn't quite show a doji. It shows we started lower and came higher, and I'm assuming that 4-hour would be this. Yeah, so pretty unique for that circumstance. I thought you're cooking. Thanks, babe. Appreciate it. All right, guys, my wife just handed me some breakfast, and she's barefoot, and she was just in the kitchen. Good job, Cakeys.
That one too.
All right, guys, have a great day. Stay safe out there. I'll see you later. Thank you for watching Bitcoin Today. Bitcoin Today is the wrap-up of our Power Hour, an analysis and educational service where we meet daily and go over market action. Members enjoy a daily newsletter with top charts, our daily hour live stream, alerts on coins at key price levels, several custom indicators, as well as our proprietary follow-through day system for identifying larger trends in Bitcoin and therefore crypto. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.